Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Aquarians. Okay, so we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, the Temperance, Emperor, the Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Wands, Five of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, one more, Six of Cups. So let's see what's the message from this deck for Aquarians. Okay, just feel like taking one more. Wow. So let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Okay, we have the Four of Abundance. Okay, so Aquarians, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, and the Temperance. So what I am getting here is that you are spending time, or you are on a vacation. You are giving time to yourself to nourish your soul, to balance something in your life. Okay, so at this point in time, you are investing in yourself, in your well-being. You are nourishing your soul, you are nourishing yourself in every way, for maybe to come from out of a heartbreak, or you are just taking a break in general, whatever it is. But definitely you are taking a break and waiting for some sort of a right opportunity or a right person to come in. Okay, you have the support of either you feel supported in some way, shape or form, or you need support, or you are supporting someone. There is something regarding support also. Maybe you need support because it's a healing sort of a phase in your life. In some way, shape or form, you need some sort of support maybe. Something has come up like that. Anyway, so and whatever it is, you are trying to balance your life, and you're trying to take whatever decisions are in a very moderate way. But the thing what I'm getting here is there is some aspect of yourself which needs to be balanced, and that is why you are focusing on yourself. It can be one more thing, that you are waiting for somebody to come in, or the right person or the right opportunity to come in, or maybe somebody has turned their back on you, or you have turned their back on them. It can be this also, and that is the reason that you are alone. Okay, so that is there. You are definitely alone at this point in time for whatever reason it is. Either you have turned your back and waiting for the right person to come in, or they have turned their back on you. There's something definitely regarding this also. Okay, and here we have the Emperor, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Seven of Wands. So with three major arcanas out here. So definitely you are trying to gain balance in your life. You are trying to take the control back of your life, and that is what it is that you are moderating. Maybe somebody has turned their back from you and you are waiting now for the maybe a clearer picture you have. Maybe you are waiting for the right opportunity, the right time, or the thing is, since you have turned their back or they have turned their back, so you are basically now in a new life. You are waiting for how the new life will be. It can be as simple as that also. So you are waiting for the as to what lies ahead, sort of, and you are trying to gain back the control in your life. That is what you are doing, and things are definitely changing. Here we have the Seven of Swords, the Five of Pentacles. So somebody is struggling over an issue, and the reason is that somebody here is feeling left out in the cold, feeling rejected, ignored. Maybe this is the reason that somebody has turned their back, or you have turned their back on you. Somebody has left, and that is what you are struggling to come out of and trying to moderate over here. And you do feel ignored, feel rejected, dejected, and you really feel upset as to what life has bestowed on you. Okay, it's something like that. One more story, as I am seeing these cards, is coming to my head, that are you still waiting for that person to come in? Whosoever has turned their back, are you still waiting for that person to come in? And that is what you are struggling. They have not come in yet, and that is why you are feeling ignored and rejected. You are alone, that is for sure. Because somebody is not with you now, that person has left you. Either you want them to come back, and that is what you are spending time alone over here. Though you are focusing on yourself, but it is something then you are forced to focus on yourself, but you are waiting also deep within. It can be that also. Maybe this person, this Emperor, can be talking about that person also. Though you are trying to regain the balance of your life, but it can be that this person was very dominating, bossy, perhaps. It can be that also. They wanted to do something, they wanted to have it was their wish or whatever it was, because of this nature that this person left for some reason. But yes, the thing is, things are changing. It's not that things are not changing. The struggle which was there, I think it will end, because here we have the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, the Ace of Cups with the Six of Cups. So what I feel here is that whosoever left, you are spending time alone, you are trying to moderate your situation, you are trying to balance and sort out your life. Yes, you are investing in yourself also, it's not that you are not. And the struggle over here, and this Five of Pentacles is talking about what you feel and what you are actually trying to work upon. And here we have the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Six of Cups. So definitely you are waiting for this person since a long time. Definitely somebody has left, and you are definitely waiting for that person. It's not what I felt initially was that this person has left, but yes, you are just spending time alone and focusing on yourself. But deep within, you are waiting for that person since a long time. You're waiting for some sort of commitment from this person, or a communication from this person, because here there is no communication. It is becoming a struggle that this person is not communicating perhaps, and you feel left out and ignored. And here with the Eight of Wands, that communication comes in perhaps after a long time with the Nine of Wands. But once this communication comes in, you feel very loved with the Six of Cups. There is reconciliation, offering that sort of emotional fulfillment. So what I feel is that your wishes are being granted over here, though after a long time. And here with the Five of Spades, it is you are dealing with somebody who is just a tough opponent. Sort of maybe this person has that dominating nature, and maybe with the Nine of Pentacles, you too had that thing in you at some point in time. Okay, and here we have the Ace of Swords. So definitely it is also a new beginning, bringing in the clarity which is required to balance that situation then. Okay, so actually this is a worthy opponent. Here you are dealing with a worthy partner who is behaving like an opponent out here, but then yes, things will be sorted out. So the guidance from the angels is Four of Abundance. It is time to reflect upon your relationship with money. Are you spending too freely or are you holding it on too tightly? It can also relate to how you give yourself to others. If your heart is open or are you holding back? Your hard work and wise investments will bring great success. Okay, so Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.